green. I wear green. Green, white, green.
Sorry for the delay, sir. Here's the general bitters you ordered for. I'm sorry I delayed. Here is it.
What is the meaning of that? Who ordered for this?
The general bitters, sir.
I did not order for any general bitters.
Can I get my own general bitters?
Sure.
Bring it.
Thank you.
Right, 1 minute, please.
Alright.
So, you take the same brand?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
That's good.
Yeah, very good. So, it's as natural as your beauty. Actually, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ebuka. You're very beautiful. If I may ask, what's your name, please?
Here's it, man.
You just become at the very wrong.
Thank you very much.
You just become
thank
at
you.
the very wrong time. Actually, let me start by introducing myself. My name is Ebuka, and I love.
The conqueror, the champion, the lion is here. Zobu, zobu, reigning by master.
So you were saying?
Now full spirit drink with blend of herbs. Now human rush like saying orange juice. May God help us more, no go toast transgender.
Hello?
I get that of me.
Hey, good. The party was very interesting. Very, very interesting. Chid, I remember. I gave you the key at the party now, she?
Yes.
Give me, let me open the door. Hey.
What's going on here?
Mommy, are you sure you gave me the key?
Don't play with me. When we were at the party and you stood up, I called you. I said, Chinadu, take this key so that when we get home, I will collect the key from you and open the door. And you collected the key. So what are you telling me?
Oh, Mommy, don't get me wrong. When we were at the party, you wanted to give me the key. And I told you, I'm going to the bedroom. And so I don't know where you gave me the key. Oh. I'm not with the key.
What is wrong with you, this boy? What is wrong with you, this boy? Eh? Let me call Monday to come and break this door. This is the third time that we're breaking door this week. Hey, where's my...
Jesus.
What are you doing? Do you think this is a joke?
Mommy, I'm trying to open the door now.
You're trying to open the door with your mouth.
Mommy, communication is key.
I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the bank.
I thought me and you, what go take ground? Dead body go surplus. Jesus!
I'm with you spiritually.
No problem.
Misunderstanding.
Guy, oh get
My brother. Yeah.
So shit is nice, so guy. Where'd you get it from?
Really, it's nice. Yeah. Man, I just bought it, man. I just bought it. So let me run now. I'll see you later.
Yeah, later.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know what I'm with.
And in the morning, oh, baby, I'm calling.
Mommy, I greet you, mommy.
Hey, go buy sugar, come.
What about floating berries now?
Which one be floating, please?
Granola now.
You be idiot.
Can I know my
I get granite tonight, they stay for you.
Come on, get up.
Only floating boy. Show me up. Okay, Joe. They make me feel like that. What your picking be this? Which picking? Now my sister picking.
Hello, young man, how are you?
I do okay.
We just kidnapped your son and you know what that means, right?
I beg. Make nothing happen to that boy, please. Make nothing happen to that boy. Now my sister picking, please. I beg.
Calm down.
Anything way you do, and I make una no worry. We go pay for her.
We'll bless you and get money to pay you.
I beg, make I follow and talk. Spider-Man. Come. Which location una dey?
So our stuff now there, now who will pay this money?
Run, no.
Family?
I don't get to.
Papa?
I don't get to.
Mama?
I don't get to.
Brother?
I don't get to.
Sister?
I don't get.
Friends?
I don't even get the friends at all.
Papa, I need help. I have a boyfriend, but he's not taking care of me the way I want him to. And if I go out, it's all those poor guys that run after me. All those wretched boys.
Okay.
Papa, check me out.
What's going
Sit down.
Papa, am I not beautiful enough?
You are beautiful.
Thank you, Baba.
You are too fine.
Thank you, Baba.
Yeah, we help you. You need them.
I'm lying?
T'as pas fait le bébé, t'as pas fait le bébé. Tu as le nom que tu as l'autre, tu as bâti d'aller, nous choquer. Ok. Sammy, I don't know why it's going on. As it is now, you have become my fifth wife. But you love. I want to see you remain.
Why they disturb me with music now?
Guy, you know this I won't go that shit.
Give me. They speak as shit. They go. Get out. They're bringing more.
Okay, guys. Follow my gifters. Okay. Tap on the screen. Follow my top 1 gifters. Yes. Follow Investor Billy. I see me. Follow my gifters. Guys, we can do it. Keep tapping. Network. Oh. Keep tapping. I see me. This man. Keep tapping, guys. Hello, guys. Follow my gifters. Tap on the screen. Let's go there.
Handicap.
Hello? Rich ones and cup of tea, oh. Funny people. Hello, bros. Who is here? Hello, madam.
We must learn a lesson.
I bet I was supposed to say here then. My phone don't say that with me. Bros. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. Bros, good afternoon. How's the family? Hey. Native. Hello, who be this?
It's me. The girl you exchanged number with at the supermarket.
Hey! That fine girl we get small bow leg with dimple where I collecting number.
Yeah, it's me. Can you do me a small favor?
This one na billion. Make I come out SIM card. Not nonsense. Come on for that. Come on, my son do. I beg you, give me MTN SIM card. Correct guy. This one where I don't buy MTN SIM card now. And for me to go subscribe to lucky number. Text MX to 4445. Then I go come accept renewal. Hi! At least this period now, first day now free now. After today now, tomorrow then begin charge 50 naira. I must become millionaire. Osundu, I dey come. Now where I don't change the SIM card, make I see the way. Who be this one where they call me? It will be customer care. Hello?
Hello, dear. As I was saying.
What for big battery?
Can you help me with 100,000 naira?
Billy no choir. I don't throw away the phone for those bills.
I want to get a wig and my money is not complete.
Is it not obvious she's talking trash? Hey! I forget say I play lucky number.
Hello? I hear you. Boss, I don't send money for the phone. Where you did now? I did the shop. The woman shop where you say make I wait. I did the shop like this. I come. We are not do fast. I beg. I did wait for you. I beg.
This man. Okay, buy phone.
Yes, son. Even 40 Pro Max I buy.
Wow, how much you wear?
Yeah, just thank you. He even give me discount.
Just they play.
Wow. Why they deliver for this place? So? What's you?
Now for your the other phone.
Yes, now you know say shop for don't they sell phone. Shop for mobiles and gadgets.
Yeah, bring the phone.
Okay, the phone they here.
Yes.
I be this. How far was you? I beg. You see this place where we do. Police must not catch us. Say we dey do this kind of business for you. Now until you reach out, me you open this phone. No,
Yeah.
Nice doing business with you. Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Madam, I beg you give us soup.
For what?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Buy your original phones, laptops, and accessories from the Phonepreneur.
You are a very bad boy.